I'm going to show you how to make a frequency table like this. This shows the happiness variable's frequency and a bar graph based on this frequency table. This frequency table has been made based on this kind of raw data set, and I'll show you how to make these kind of outcomes based on the same simple data. First, we need to create a column or a row that shows all the possible values of the variable. It's going to be 1 through 10. And I will label it like happiness scores. Then go to the Data tab and click Data Analysis. Click Histogram. For the input range, I'm going to use these raw data based on which I'm going to create the frequency table. And for the bin range, I'm going to use the manually created column that shows all the possible values of the variable. And here you actually have an option about this label. If you check out these labels, then you can select, when you select the input range and the bin range, you can include the labels. It will be shown in the outcome, but I didn't check the labels and just selected the numbers only. And for the output range, I click this output range option when the default is new worksheet. And then I select somewhere over here, and my outcome will be shown on the right-hand side of this selected cell. And finally, click check chart output for the graph. If you want, you can rename the labels. For example, happiness scores, I will use this happiness scores label. And this is your frequency table that shows all the possible values of the variable and the frequency. And you can also edit this graph a little. Frequency of happiness scores. And you can rename the bin as happiness scores, as the x-axis shows all the possible happiness scores. And you can also delete this legend. This is how you make a frequency table based on raw data and the corresponding bar graph.